Once again, good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. So this is Matthew Christina or Globe DRL. So now we will present our role play about general business mathematics.
Good morning. Welcome to our store. Yes, our store is only 70% sell, ma'am. I want to buy a cell phone like Vivo. What kind of Vivo, ma'am? Vivo white one. I have a stock here, ma'am. It is 7,000 pesos, ma'am. Since since this year store is sell 70%, what's the original price of this? The original price of this cell phone is 10,000 pesos. Since 10,000 is the original price and the new selling price is 10,000, how much is the original price? The original price of this phone is 10,000 pesos. Vincent, can we help you there?
Why are the James?
What is your original price?
Yes, ma'am.
How much is the original price? How do you how did you come up this price? Since the original price is 10,000.
Ma'am, we come up this price because since 10,000, the original price and 70% is rate. So we use the markdown formula. Markdown is equal to original selling price times markdown rate. Markdown, the original selling price is 10,000 times 70%, or we can convert 70% into decimal, that is 0.7. So the markdown is equal to 7,000 pesos. So
How much is the difference in price?
since 10,000 of the original price, the increasing price is 10,000 minus 7,000. The remaining the decreasing price is 3,000 pesos. So the decreasing price is 3,000.